What's going on, guys? Matt here from Airsoft Junkies. Just wanted to show you guys something that we just got in. It is the M1919. As you can see, it is ginormous. It weighs about 25 pounds, and it is 25 pounds of pure awesomeness. It's made by RIVA Arms for RWA. And I just wanted to do a little quick video of it and let you guys know that we do have them in stock, and wanted to get some downrange, show you guys some of the little nice little features that it has on it. Let's see what we can do. Well, all I can say right now is I'm happy with it. But if you guys have any more questions, anything else you guys want to know about it, just hit us up on Airsoft Junkies, and we'll let you know whatever we can. See you guys later.